What's up, everybody? My name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault. And today, rather than being the typical video where we, mod some graphics card up or add some super small CPU cooler to a GPU, we're going to be having a nice little discussion. And before you click away, this might be a video you might just want to listen to, mostly talking. But it may be something to listen to because it's something I really want to say, and I guess it's something maybe you consider hearing if you're, follow this channel in any way. So, this channel I've had for about 1.5 years now, and we're finally getting to the point where we're at 1 million views total across everything that I've done. Now, if you're, I don't know, if you're any other, a lot of people have been like, you can think about this two ways. You can think about 1 million views is not a lot in comparison to all the other YouTubers, but I'm not going to think about it that way. I think that 1 million views is a huge, massive number. Not to mention we have some crazy amount of watch time. I think it's like 5 years worth of watch time that people have watched my videos for, which is absolutely insane. And I'm making this video not because, for me, 1 million views is a milestone because that's a big number. And, I could have done a milestone for watch time, but I think it's like almost 2 million. No, I think it's even higher than that. Whatever 4 years comes out to in minutes of watch time, that's when I did the math last. But really what it boils down to is that, reaching 1 million views across everything is a big accomplishment in my eyes because that's a big number. And, while all the other YouTubers will downplay, oh, just 1 million views, for me that's a big deal, especially because, we've been working on that for a multitude of time, multitude of days, multitude of projects, and I really just want to say that thank you to everybody. I really do appreciate it. Now, people are like, well, why are you making a big deal about views? Maybe you care about, the money or something like that. And honestly, if you watch this channel in any, for any period of time, you'll know that I've been doing this long before I even got anything, and all the money that I get now is usually going back into projects, so it's pretty cool stuff. But, I just gotta say, I really, appreciate, being able to, fund a cool hobby of doing cool stuff. Like, this was really fun. But making, like, custom GPU coolers with whatever the junk I can scrape together. But, being able to do that is something that is super unique. I mean, heck, getting, Be Quiet to send me a case and power supply free of charge was probably the highlight of everything because, and if you're saying, are you in it for getting free stuff? No, but let's be honest here. Getting free stuff is, you're lying to yourself if you're thinking you wouldn't want that either. I'm just saying. And I'm really appreciative of everybody that watches and enables me to kind of do this stuff. It's just heartwarming, and I really do appreciate it. Especially starting off at this channel, not really. Story of this channel is pretty much I was at the time on my old channel, and that was a gaming channel, in particular a Minecraft channel. A long list of actually not just Minecraft, but advanced Minecraft stuff, and that was a big thing for me. Actually, I was streaming a bunch of other games too, so not just Minecraft. But I had, I think, 6,000 or 6,500 subscribers on there, and I came off of that, and I was like, this, I had gotten that in about a year, and I was like, let me try this other channel. Let me see what I can do here, because this is something I really want to do. I really want to sit down and make tech videos with cool stuff, get cool stuff to make videos with. That seems like something that I would want to do. And I was like, I was going from streaming every day, pretty much like a Twitch channel, to doing videos was a big shocker. And then going through and being like, we're going to go from gaming to making, review videos, educational videos that people will judge, whether or not they buy something off of. And, that was a big change, and that was a gradual lead up to that. But it's a big difference, I guess. So from going to that, we kind of got here where, we're you know, occasionally doing, you know, the computer modding videos, which is really what I wanted to do, which is really nice. Actually, one of the main reasons I started the channel was to do, you know, these cool projects. And then, you know, the free stuff is a great incentive too. And I'm not gonna lie about that, it's cool. And then also, you know, being able to start a business out of this, you know, being able to build computers for people, that's just from this channel as well. There's been a lot of, like, good things that I'm really happy for. And as I said in the future, or as I said in previous videos, in the future I still plan on doing this channel. I have no foreseeable problems. Actually, yeah, the couple that I was concerned about are resolved, so we really shouldn't have any problems continuing this channel on for multiple years. And if you're anybody that, you know, follows this little channel, I'm not concerned about getting a bunch of subscribers overnight, but I'm pretty sure the slow and steady progression will eventually hit 10K. But 1 million views was something I really wanted to accomplish. It was a big milestone for me, and now after 1 million views, it's really just going to either be 10 million or 10K, whichever one comes first. And since we're at 4K at 1 million views, I'd say by 2 million views we'd probably have around 8-ish, and maybe by 3 we'd have 10K. But 10K subscribers is literally my, like, ultimate goal on like YouTube or anything. I've had it since I was, like, really young, carrying around a little camcorder, and honestly, that's what I'm shooting for. And after that, I don't know. Like, honestly, I don't even know if I'll hit 10K subscribers, but it's something cool and elusive. Hope I get there someday. But thank you very much for watching. Check my channel for other cool tech-related news, reviews, builds, etc. And thank you very, very much for watching. Goodbye.